GoPro, start recording! Does it? Why isn't it working? Just bought a GoPro Hero 6 Black and I'm going to unbox it right now. Cover comes off. That's a really nice cover. This is the GoPro itself. Very nice. This is instructing us how to remove the GoPro. I am familiar with GoPros because I am in fact filming with the GoPro Hero 4 Session that I bought years and years ago. But it's time to upgrade and welcome the GoPro Hero 6 Black to the family. I like it. Opening the package up, let's see, we have a GoPro instruction booklet. Very simplified. Wow, it's a lot simpler than mine was. 2 GoPro stickers, or decals. They're a lot bigger than the ones I got with my Hero 4 Session. Oh, they're very nice. They're large. And here's the actual safety instructions. It's a big booklet. Alright. This is the curved adhesive. This is the flat adhesive. So if you're putting it on curved surfaces, you use this adhesive. Flat surfaces, this one. Simple enough. Alright. Oh wow, this is a lot smaller than I expected it to be. This is the GoPro battery. I was expecting it to be bigger. Okay. And of course we have the GoPro adapter cable. This looks like a USB and a micro USB. No, it's different. Alright, so I don't know what it is, but it's a USB and whatever this connection is, maybe USB-C. Huh. I don't really like that. It's like, it doesn't bother me much, but I expect more of GoPro. That looks like a quality issue. Okay, so we're gonna flip this down. How do we do this? What? Okay, slide it out. What's going on here? Ah, okay. And now we're going to... And this is the back cover. Ah, nice. So it's a case. It's a little harder to work with than my Hero 4 Session case, but I think I'll get the hang of it soon enough. Here's the GoPro itself. We're gonna turn it around, press this button, slide it out. That's where the battery goes. Alright, here's the battery. Take the tab out, the GoPro battery. Oh, you're supposed to leave it in? Really? Huh. Okay. I hope I didn't damage it by trying to pull it out. Alright, let's see. Goes in this way. And you need to put a... Did I put it in right? Let me see. I don't think I did. This is to pull it out, I guess. Alright, that's what it's for. I did not put it in right. Alright, so it's supposed to go like this. There we go. Alright. And a micro USB, which I don't have an extra one because I'm using it to record this video. Alright, we're gonna close it. Huh. What in the world? Okay. It was upside down. It said Hero 6 and the words were upside down. I was like, what is going on? Okay, that's awesome. And of course it says you need to charge it. Alright, let's take this, actually let's leave the screen protector on. Actually, let's not. That's weird. Somebody, no. So I'm gonna take the screen protector off. Language, English, French, Deutsch, Italiano, Espanol, low battery, okay. That stinks. Perfect English. I agree. Did this thing just turn off? Alright, so it does not come pre-charged. Lucky for me. Turn on the Sport Wagon. Let's get this charging cable. And we're going to plug it into the GoPro. And we'll plug it in here. And it should be charging now. Let's see. Yes, it is. So we've got the GoPro charging right now. And that was the unboxing. Came with 2 very nice large decals, safety instruction booklet, simplified manual to get you started. You know, the GoPro itself, of course, and the GoPro case. The 2 adhesives for curved and flat bottom surfaces. The charging wire. I think that's it. My initial impression, I'm impressed. Besides this, I don't know if it's a quality issue, but I would expect it to be smooth. I don't like that, but other than that, I am kind of impressed with it. Time will tell. It looks very nice. Weight is very nice. Yeah, that's my simple GoPro Hero 6 Black unboxing. So there's actually a little bit more to this. So it asked me for the language, terms and conditions. It kind of took me through a little walkthrough of basic settings, gestures, different things you can do to go around the menus, and now it's asking me for the date. And today is the 14th, 2018. They don't have 24-hour time. Hopefully we can change that later. I do like, oh, here we go, 24-hour time. Awesome. Alright, nice. Wow, that's... I do like being able to see, because it was really hard to tell what my Hero 4 session was recording. Like, right now, I don't even know where it's going, because it has no screen. So, I do like this, so you can actually see. This is really nice. Linear. Ah, there's zoom. Very nice. Video. Looping. Nope, I don't want looping. Photo. Oh, okay, now it's in photo mode. And night mode. Is this night vision? Resolution. 2.7K. Back. I've never seen that. Wait. Doesn't this play 4K? Wait, what's going on? I don't know what I just did. Okay, don't show me again. Wait, this is 4K. Where'd I... Oh, there's the extra stuff. Okay, and frames per second. What is HE? Okay. We'll stick with 30 for now. 4K is pretty cool, but just messing around with the settings right now. See, swipe right, Pro Tune. We can mess with that later, that's cool. Video stabilization, yeah, I do want that. That's on, right? Yeah. Auto low light, no. Manual audio control, no. I'll do it on auto switches. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. Automatic edits, no thank you. If I swipe to the right, okay, that's where it would be, where my videos and footage would be. If I swipe down, you have settings. Okay, so this is the camera tour. Mode and settings, it shows you advanced settings, swipe left. Okay, swipe down for preferences. Swipe right for media. Swipe down to return to the main menu. List of commands. GoPro start recording, GoPro highlight. GoPro stop recording, GoPro take a photo. Okay, we'll turn it on. That's pretty cool. Let's try it. GoPro turn off! GoPro turn on! GoPro, turn on. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, start recording. Does it? Why isn't it working? Alright. Okay, how much? 13% battery life. It's not bad. I wonder if you can zoom while you're recording. Well, it'll be a learning process, but... Oh man, the GoPro's hot. Well, that's all I have for right now. Maybe later I'll do an in-depth review of this GoPro Hero 6 Black. GoPro, turn off!